how to host a video online. Hello, how are you? My name is Samuel Borges. Today I'm going to show you how to host your videos online and why we chose JMV Technology as a video hosting provider. The first thing about this, I'm here on the JMV Technology website. The first thing we will see here is that we have 3 base models for sale. What would that be? That would be a start plan, a simpler plan that will cater to an audience which will not have a very large number of simultaneous viewers or a person who does not have many videos to be hosted. We also have a full plan, a plan that will have a much larger number compared to the first of simultaneous viewers, and a plan that will also offer a much larger storage space compared to the first plan. And we always have the custom plan, which is the plan that you can design any way you want. In other words, I need a plan where I'm going to have 500, 800 GB of storage space. Then the vendor will provide you with the amount that is essential for you. So you can customize your plans here, whether it's storage space, image quality, or number of simultaneous devices in any way you need for your project. Once we've decided to use this hosting, it's very straightforward. For example, I'm going to click there, hire the plan, and so on. After I've decided which one it's going to be, I'm redirected to the shopping cart. Then here in the cart, I can finalize my purchase, place my order, and I'll land on a screen like this one, which is the hosting screen. Once I'm inside the hosting, I always land on this tab here, the application, where I can see all the videos that I have hosted on my platform. And it's very simple for us to start hosting our videos, to embed them on our websites, and to use them for various resources. It really depends on each person. Some people will use it to set up their own Netflix, so to speak. Others will just use it to do some advertising or something like that. But there are various ways we can use these hosted videos, because at JMV Technology, in addition to the security it brings, it stores these videos from a hosting service that will have encryption in the player, which means people won't easily find the origin. We'll have the whitelist, where you can only play the player on your domain. You'll definitely have a lot of security features. And using it, as I mentioned, is very simple. We're going to click here on send, and it's sent. We also have the option of using an FTP for sending. We can import the videos if they're shared on social networks. For instance, you can just paste the link here. It's super simple, but I'm going to use the traditional method here. What's the traditional method? We're going to click here. We're going to select a video. For example, I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to click open. As soon as I do that, your video is going to upload, which is the quickest part of the process. And as soon as the upload is complete, it's going to start converting, and it will appear in your gallery. After I upload the video, I can even exit this screen, and the conversion will still occur automatically without any problem. So I'm going to click on gallery, and OK. Once the conversion is finished, it'll take me to my gallery. If I had selected a specific folder, it would have been saved there. If I had chosen a specific folder, it would go there. So for instance, this one here is the one I just uploaded, the point one. So as soon as I access my video, I will see the resolutions of this video, the resolutions that were generated for me. Beyond the original one I sent, I also have the option to change the thumbnail and so on. But the most important thing is here, which is the shareable link. because I can use this link to embed this player in websites, apps, basically anything where I find a need for it. And if I open this player directly, I can watch the video. I uploaded it here on the platform. So guys, I hope I have helped you. Catch you next time.